that bad body. Okay, so real quick one. Free assets. Epic Christmas or Easter, whatever you want, whatever you want. Or any of the others. It's all good, mate. It's all good. It's free gifts. Okay. So this is what you get: stylized clay forest village pack. You create Gothic cathedral asset, which looks pretty cool. Ancient Golem. Let's have a look at that, man. Watermills, nature environment, and clouds lighting system. Right, let's get in here, mate. This is always cool. You know, like, I mean, they're quite cute, hey, if you like stylized stuff. I don't. You know, I don't use it a lot, but I know people that do. And this is really cool. You get the whole shebang. Let's have a look at the video, mate. Look at that, man. Actually, that is very nice. That gives me like a Stardew Valley kind of a feel, you know. This is a very cool style, man. Very cool. Yeah, that's nice. Movements on the trees. Look at them, mate. Look at little clouds. Look at little clouds. You can change all the colors and stuff. So very cool, man. You can optimize this as you got all the attributes and stuff already. You can make beautiful things. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That's cool. What's next, mate? You create Gothic Cathedral Asset Pack. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at the trailer, see if it's any good. The assets. You get it, mate? You get it, Ari. He gets it. He gets it. I mean, quite intricate. Very intricate assets. Are they too intricate, though? That's what I'm talking about. I mean, from afar, it looks like a bit of a mess, doesn't it? But very cool. Very cool. I mean, these people went all out for the details, eh? Wow. So I think they work really nicely in close-ups, but man, it looks very noisy, doesn't it? But very cool. I mean, damn. Beautiful assets. I mean, wow. Maybe, yeah. Anyway, if you want a Gothic cathedral pack, you got one. You got one, mate. No complaints. It's free. It's free, mate. And you got a Golem. Ancient Golem. Don't know what you'll use this for. Maybe a statue or something. I don't know. But it does move. Look at that. It moves, Artie. It moves, Artie. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You'd have to make a project. It's very specific, isn't it? It is extremely specific. But pretty cool. You got a Golem. You wanted a Golem. You got a Golem. There we go. Very beautifully made asset. Anyway, next. Watermill. Watermill's nature environment. Okay, let's have a look at the vid. Let's have a look at a vid, Harry. That's beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. I mean, even the rain would be nice. So you get that asset of dripping rain and stuff. So, I mean, if nothing else, you got a really cool rain asset. But this is very pretty. Okay, maybe not that rain. I don't know, man. No one gets rain right, eh? Or drips. Nobody gets them right. Except for me. I get them right, Ari. I get them right. Clouds. Clouds lighting system. Let's have a look at this, Ari. What is this now? Look at that, Ari. You can get clouds with light. Look at that, Ari. You put a light in the bastard and look at it go. That's pretty cool. I mean, you can do some pretty cool things with this. Definitely. Clouds. I mean, it's a pretty cool. I mean, do you get the clouds? You get the clouds. So, that's pretty damn cool. I mean, you could use this many different ways, many different effects. That is pretty cool. Especially if you can shape them and it's a shader, that would be pretty damn sweet. So that's it, man. Get them. It's all free. I leave these quite quick. I don't want to waste your time. But I think it's really cool. Get the assets. Love you madly. See you next time. Cheers.